creating two fields for email and password. So as we have our background already set up, our status bar set up, and our logo created, the next thing what we could do is to create two fields for email and a password, right? So grab your rounded rectangle tool over here, set the radius to 9 pixels, and just drag it over like this, and that's it. Set the color to pure white, close the properties window, and to make this transparent, like we could see the New York image in the background, we could set up we could lower the opacity to like 26%. Looks good enough. You could make it a little bit bigger, and we could center it with this one. Alright, so we got this one, and we also need for the password, so just duplicate this layer, drag it over, and we got two fields. We probably want to rename it to, this one was, it was email field BG, password field BG. Next thing what we could do is add a text. So just press it right here, set to Lato, email address, set the font to light, make it pure white, font sizing looks okay, and do the same for the password. Duplicate the email field, drag it over, write down password. Looks good enough. So the next thing what we could do in this lesson is to clean up a little bit our layers panel. So select rectangle and background image, press Ctrl G on your keyboard, group them, call it background, group these ones, call it email field, and password field. And this is our logo. So that's it.